Kia ora koutou, Reese from QuickSense here, and today we're looking at the angle between a tangent and a radius. Now, by definition, any line that is tangential to a circle meets the circumference at a 90-degree angle to the center. And the easiest way of getting, well, the only way of getting really, in a straight line from the center to the circumference is via the radius. Okay, so if I have a radius and it meets the circumference at a tangent, I know that that point's going to be, or the angle there is going to be 90 degrees. So for this question here, what is the value of x? Well, because I know the angles in a triangle, they sum to 180. I'll try and draw that triangle. And triangles sum to 180 degrees. 60 plus 90 plus x is equal to 180. So x is equal to 180 take away 90 take away 60, which is equal to 30 degrees. This question here is a little bit more complicated in that we're going to have to use more information and more steps to get to the answer. So A, B, and C are points on the circumference with the circle centers O. DE is tangent to the circle at point A. Okay, well, what does that mean? Well, we can use this to tell us that this line here, OA, that's the radius. And where the radius meets the tangent, right, that is, so let's just draw a different circle here to keep this in mind. Ooh. Right, this is going to be a, take that tool off. This is going to be a right angle. So 50 plus whatever this is, and let's call this y, because why not? 50 plus y equals 90 because the radius meets the tangent at 90 degrees by definition. So y here is equal to 40. And because this is an isosceles triangle, these are both the radius, well, this is also y, right? So if that's also y, then this here, this is going to be 40 and 40, which is 80, meaning that 80 plus something is 180. Well, this has got to be 100. Okay, so what else do we know? Well, here we have our inscribed angle theorem. The angle AOB is equal to twice the angle ACB. So 100 equals 2 times something. Let's call this one Z. So what's Z equal to? Well, Z is going to be equal to 100 divided by 2, or 50. Now, with this in mind, we have another isosceles triangle here. So what does that mean? Well, if I have the isosceles triangle, I'll try and draw it over here, right? And obviously yours is going to be a little bit nicer than mine. If this is 50, then this angle and this angle are the same. So 50, let's call this W. 50 plus 2 lots of W is equal to 180. So 2W is equal to 130. W is equal to 65. But what else is W equal to? Well, as you can see, right, W is this angle here. W is also equal to x plus y. I know what y is, right? Y is 40. So if 65 is x plus 40, well, minus 40 from both sides gives me x equal to 25 degrees.